You're gonna miss me around my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Do you goat sound?
What?
Do you goat sound?
Why? Why do you want me to?
I do.
Yeah, she thinks I sound just like a baby goat. Okay, let me tell you the story first. Okay, so one time. Okay, sorry. Okay, so one time, my dad and I. Okay, so I was hanging out with Emily, and we were all in the truck. Me and my dad and Emily. Okay, and then I happened to do my goat sound randomly. You can't do it. Anyway. So, then my dad's all, what the heck? All freaked out, and then Emily starts laughing, and then I'm like, that was me, Dad. And he's like, oh my gosh, it sounds just like a baby goat. I'm like, I know. And, yeah. And a lot of my friends think I do too. And Emily, shut up.
There you go.
Wait, I can do better. I got this. Wait, no I don't. Hold on. Sorry, gotta clear my throat first. I'm good. There we go.
That's my goat sound. Yeah, guys, hope you like a goat sound.
Peace.
Peace. Bye. Bye.